Hi, I'm Dr. Marianne Marchese. I'm a naturopathic physician and the author of the best-selling book, 8 Weeks to Women's Wellness. And I am currently in Cap Haitian, Haiti, volunteering with an organization called Naturopaths Without Borders. I've been here for a week. This has been a fabulous experience, and I wanted to share a little bit about my experience with you. For the past week, myself and Dr. Sean and Sarah Hessler have been working with naturopathic medical students from one of the naturopathic medical colleges. We've been working in different health clinics, working with local Haitian population, patients who are in desperate need of medical care. Here at the clinic for Naturopaths Without Borders, we saw about 30 patients on one day. 3 other days while we were here, we did what's called a mobile clinic, where we packed up all of our medical supplies, all of our medicinarian pharmacies, and we headed out into the local Cap Haitian community. And we saw patients at a local hospital. We actually worked with MDs who are local Haitian physicians, and we worked side by side with them. We provided naturopathic care while they provided conventional medicine. This has been such a fabulous trip. When you come down here to volunteer, you're going to be staying at the Naturopaths Without Borders medical clinic. And at the clinic, it's an old hotel. So it's a really comfortable environment for sleeping in and hanging out with all the volunteers and getting to know everybody. The food is phenomenal. I can't even tell you how great the food is here. So you won't go hungry, absolutely not. What's really fascinating about when we work with patients is they've trained local Haitian gentlemen who are fabulous interpreters to interpret Creole to English. For example, here's one of our wonderful interpreters named Lami, and he is so much fun. Not only does he interpret during the patient visit, he can do just about everything else you can imagine. He can cook, he can what else do you do? He cuts people's hair. I mean, he's just so much, he tells stories, and he's so much fun. And he's excellent at a card game called Rummy. So when you come down to volunteer with Naturopaths Without Borders, not only are you going to be helping patients with medical care that they don't have access to, you're going to be learning from naturopathic physicians in a typical supervisory setting, just like at the medical school's clinic shifts. And if you're a physician who wants to come down and volunteer your time, it's such a rewarding experience, not only working with the patients, but also teaching students, just as if you were running a clinic shift at the schools. So I highly recommend everybody come on down to Cap Haitian, Haiti and volunteer with Naturopaths Without Borders, and you can learn more at their website, naturopathswithoutborders.org. Thanks for tuning in.